everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Festive season is going on and I realized I haven't posted any festive content yet. So here we go. Today I'm gonna share how you can incorporate glassware in festive decor. And I would like to thank Borosil for sponsoring a part of this video. Now let's begin. First, I'll share how glassware has made our everyday life easier, and then I'll show how we can use it in festive decor. Borosil is made of 100% borosilicate, hence it can withstand both hot and cold temperatures. And also it is effective for daily usage and is extremely safe to use. And I love that it is microwave safe and it's super easy to clean. Now let's see what all I have here. So I have Borosil Endura airtight glass jars. I love these jars because when my biscuits and chips turn soggy, I can easily put them in the microwave and make them crispy again. Nice and crunchy again. And I have these large vision glasses. The best thing I like about these glasses is that they don't have grooves, so it makes it easier to clean them. Also, their straight line design makes them look classy and elegant. Now we have these cute little small squat glasses. Look how cute they are and how elegant they look. You can use them for various drinks like smoothies, desserts or jellies. Put them directly into the oven to warm the drink, or put them in the freezer before serving desserts or cold drinks. You can put them on flame too. They are extreme temperature resistant. I love to have my tea and coffee in them. Now let's use all of them in festive decor. Here we go. So I try to avoid plastic as much as I can, and hence I'm using glassware in festive decor this time. First I'm gonna make a beautiful vase, and for that I'm taking this Borosil jar, airtight jar, and these flowers, baby's breath. These are such lovely flowers and they look stunning. So I'm gonna use these, some marigolds and mums, and this LED light. This one is battery operated, and cake board. I'm gonna keep the entire setup on this cake board, and some water. So first what I'll do is I'll take this cake board and I'm gonna keep this jar onto the board, fill it with water, just a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna place these flowers. And next I'm going to use this battery operated LED light. I'm going to wrap it around the jar. To hide these batteries, I'm going to put these flowers on the cake board around the jar. For this setup, I'll take some flowers, glasses, tea lights, scissors and thread or twine, whatever you have. So what I'll do is measure it with the height of the glass and then cut the extra. I'll snip off the extra like so, and then I'll just cover the entire glass with these stalks. for the next setup, I have beautiful things with me. First, this cake board, floral foam, and lots of flowers, this small squat glass, candle, and of course scissors.